Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Finnegan here, and happy Friendship Friday. Today is Friday, April 24th, and it is our 24th day of flexible learning. Before we get started on anything else, let's jump into our quote of the day to get us started. Today's quote says, "The only way to have a friend is to be one." So for Friendship Friday, there's another quote about friendships. If you want to have great friends, you have to be a great friend. So I'm excited to see all of you during our chats today so you can chat with your friends. Please take a look at the Google Meet slides to make sure that I didn't make any changes. Most of the times and people in the groups are the same, but I might have moved a little bit of people around. So make sure you check carefully for your name. And remember, the link will not go live until your exact time that is on the slide. So you might want to make sure you review it because the first group doesn't start till 10:30. So if you review it in the morning, you won't miss it. Okay, looking forward to seeing you guys there. Let's look over our reading, writing, and math and social studies activities for today. Today in reading, you are going to be setting goals. Here are a list of some goals that you can set. Maybe you want to set a time goal. Maybe you want to see how many pages you can read. Maybe you want to start a new book in a different genre, or maybe you want to try a new strategy. You're going to think of a goal. Then in this slide, you will write your reading goal and what you learned by trying that goal out. So reading today, you just have to set a short goal for yourself. It's always good to set goals so we can try to achieve them and then pass them so we can set more. Now, today in writing, let's go into my friend Samay's slide. And I think we're all going to love his topic of pizza. And today in writing, really all you're doing is making your finishing touches. So I'm going to show his to see where he's at. Oh my gosh, I love it. Food of Fame, Pizza by Samay. He did listen to me because he deleted all those slides. The very first slide I see is his cover page. He has a table of contents where he tells me all of his subtopics. He has pictures on the page and he changed his headings to say what the actual topic is. Types of pizzas. He even added fun facts and labeled his pictures. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get hungry for pizza early in the morning. Here's another page where he added a bunch of pictures and even highlighted some words. Love that idea. Making pizza, his conclusion with a cool pizza guy on the end, and then his glossary. Wow, it actually looks like Samay might be done for today. So excellent job, Samay. And if yours looks like that, then you pretty much are done. So you might have some freedom and some flexibility on your Friday with writing. So if you're done with writing, then you're done with writing, and that's okay. Sometimes we get finished quickly, and you can just use that other time to do Friendship Friday. I'm excited to show these off. Maybe we can share them with each other when we meet. Okay, thanks again, Samay. Great job. Now let's move on to math. In math today, we are going to be working on another warm-up and then a quick video that Miss Peterson found. And this is all about doing work with parentheses. So remember, we always do our parentheses first, and then you follow the order of operations. So for example, this one, we can do 6 minus 3, which is 3, plus 7 is 10. So if we did it this way, 3 plus 7, we always want to do it from left to right. So I don't know if you guys remember, we talked about subtraction and addition being brother and sister. When you see brother and sister in your slides and in your equation, you make sure you go from left to right. If you see cousins, which would be a subtraction and a multiplication, you do the older cousin first. So watch your order of operations videos again to review this, but make sure you do from left to right unless you see a parentheses, because that's always first. Okay, when you're finished with that, you know you'll have another page, and then you're on to your games for today. And then you're done with math for the entire week. Now, in social studies today, I'm going to open that up. We actually have, you're going to follow me in my drive today because I didn't have it ready. You see all my crazy things that I have in here. Let's see, where is our social studies? You guys have been doing an amazing job on your Lenape villages. I love them, and I'm going to try to show off the Lenape villages, either email it to you or post it on Google Classroom once I have all of them, and you'll see everybody in third grades, which is going to be really cool. But today is Friday, and in social studies and science, we typically have a fun Friday activity. So as I scroll down, I'm going to show you what you're doing today. Now, you are going to be clicking here or here to watch a video. This video we've actually seen in the classroom, but it's fun to watch again.
Sometimes they placed rocks and stones inside the fire until they were very hot.
Remember watching that together? So you can review the lesson, and this is actually our final day of studying the Lenape Native Americans. Next week, we're hopping into something called economics. We're going to have a really fun activity to do at the end of that unit. Okay, so you might want to check in on James and the Giant Peach. I have added some new chapters, and then you might want to make sure that you are on Flipgrid to say hello or post some work or ask a question, and then of course I will be in the comments to talk with you today. Don't forget for your time for Google Meet. Check on it right now, and remember, do the attendance if you haven't already. All right, guys, I will see you very soon. Happy Friday.